AI-generated media is evolving rapidly, and at the forefront of this revolution is OMNIHUMAN-1, a groundbreaking AI model developed by ByteDance. This technology is designed to create highly realistic human videos using just a single image and an audio track. Imagine being able to generate a lifelike digital human that can talk, gesture, and move naturally, all powered by AI. It's a major step forward in content creation, gaming, film, and virtual influencers. ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, has already established itself as a leader in AI-driven content creation. With OMNIHUMAN-1, they're pushing boundaries even further, leveraging deep learning, generative adversarial networks, and real-time rendering to create digital humans that are indistinguishable from real people. This AI model is capable of generating hyper-realistic facial expressions, body movements, and speech synchronization, making it a game-changer for video content. So, how does OMNIHUMAN-1 work? At its core, the model integrates several advanced AI technologies. First, it uses deep learning-based motion synthesis, allowing it to replicate natural human movement with extreme precision. Then, facial and body animation AI generate expressive features that make digital humans look and move just like real people. Real-time video generation ensures that the process is fast and efficient, making it ideal for virtual influencers, animated characters, or even AI-powered brand ambassadors. The technology also features AI-powered speech and voice synchronization, ensuring that every movement of the lips and facial muscles is in perfect sync with the provided audio. Plus, it allows for customizable avatars, meaning users can create and modify AI-generated humans to fit different styles, whether it's a hyper-realistic replica or a more stylized digital persona. OMNIHUMAN-1's capabilities open up a world of possibilities. In the entertainment industry, it could revolutionize film and animation, replacing traditional CGI with AI-driven human animation. The gaming world could also see a transformation, with players scanning their own faces to generate in-game avatars in real time. Virtual influencers powered by OMNIHUMAN-1 could engage audiences on social media, delivering personalized content in multiple languages with flawless lip-syncing. Even the marketing industry stands to benefit, with AI-generated brand ambassadors presenting products and services in a natural and engaging way. However, as with any powerful AI technology, ethical concerns arise. One of the biggest risks is the potential for deepfake misuse, where AI-generated humans could be manipulated to create misleading or false information. There are also questions surrounding copyright and ownership. Who truly owns an AI-generated human? Another concern is the impact on human jobs, as AI-driven content could disrupt traditional roles in acting, animation, and media production. Furthermore, there's an ongoing debate about bias in AI models, ensuring that these digital humans accurately and fairly represent diverse populations. Comparing OMNIHUMAN-1 to other AI video generation tools like DeepMotion and Meta's codec avatars, it's clear that ByteDance model stands out in real-time rendering, hyper-realistic animation, and advanced speech synchronization. It has the potential to set a new industry standard in AI-generated human content. Looking ahead, the future of OMNIHUMAN-1 is incredibly promising. It could become an essential tool for metaverse applications, where people interact using AI-generated avatars. Advancements in AI voice synthesis may allow for even more natural and expressive digital characters. The model might also be integrated into live broadcasting, powering AI-driven news anchors and virtual event hosts. Plus, as AI technology continues to evolve, we could see cross-platform compatibility, bringing OMNIHUMAN-1 into TikTok, gaming engines, VR environments, and beyond. OMNIHUMAN-1 is a major leap in AI-generated video content, offering new creative possibilities while also raising important discussions about ethics and responsible use. As we move into an era where AI-generated humans become more common, it's crucial to balance innovation with responsibility. This technology is opening doors to new opportunities, but it's also shaping the future of digital identity and media creation in ways we're only beginning to understand. OMNIHUMAN-1 is pushing the boundaries of AI-driven video creation. From Hollywood to gaming, from virtual influencers to real-time AI presenters, this technology is changing the digital landscape as we know it. But with such power, ethical concerns also need to be addressed. What do you think? Are AI-generated humans the future, or should we be cautious? Comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on AI technology. See you in the next video.